Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve for music videos. First, launch DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Import all your video clips and the final audio track into the media pool. It's crucial to set your project's frame rate, typically 24 or 30 frames per second, to match your footage for smooth playback. Organizing your media into clearly labeled bins will save you significant time during the editing process. Once your media is imported, drag your audio track to the timeline. Now, sync your video clips to the music. You can do this manually by aligning waveforms or by using DaVinci Resolve's automatic sync features. Cut and arrange your footage, paying close attention to the song's beat and lyrical cues. For multi-camera shoots, the multicam editing feature is incredibly powerful, allowing you to switch between angles seamlessly. Experiment with clip speed to add dynamic visual interest. Now, let's make your video visually stunning. Head over to the color page. Start with primary corrections to adjust exposure, contrast, and white balance, ensuring a consistent look across all your shots. Then, use secondary corrections to fine-tune specific colors, perhaps making the reds pop or desaturating backgrounds. For more complex visual effects, like title animations or green screen composites, the Fusion page offers a robust node-based workflow to bring your creative visions to life. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Navigate to the Deliver page. Here, you'll choose your export format, H.264 is excellent for web distribution, while ProRes offers higher quality for professional use. Select your desired resolution, commonly 1920 by 1080 pixels for full HD, or even 4096 by 2160 for 4K. After setting your output folder, click Add to render queue and then render all to generate your final music video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.